Hi, it's Amy from Pretty Little Claws. Today we're going to do a Nightmare Before Christmas inspired set of nails. Despite it being a Christmas film, in my opinion, it also works lovely for Halloween. Enjoy! So what I've done first is I've laid a base of Shy Time Nude Pink for one of our nails, and I have not rubbed the sticky layer off that for a reason. Snow White for one of the other ones, and Mimosa for the third. So we're going to use some of the mylar that you can get in one of the nail sets, and with a sponge applicator pick some up and just rub it gently over, very lightly. Give it that kind of look. On a palette, which is the back of a form, on the soft shiny side, I've put some Serious Black, and this is what we're going to use to make our spider. So with a large dotting tool, I'm going to pick some of that up and create his head. Some more to create the body. And then pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds to cure. Whilst we're waiting for that one, we're going to take the Mimosa covered tip, load a 01 brush with the Serious Black, and we're going to create a hill type pattern. Fill that in at the bottom. And with the 001 brush, which is a finer, smaller brush, we're going to go in to finish the detail. And when you're happy with that, pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. So with our white one, while they're curing, we load our brush and we're going to do his face. Starting with his smile. His little nose. And then his eyes. When you're happy with that, pop that in the lamp. Pop your little spider out. I'm going to do his legs. We'll do one side at a time, curing for 30 seconds. Pop our little spider out again, give him some more legs. And pop him in to cure. Again, Urban Graffiti top coat. And then finish off with our spider for 60 seconds. And there you have a Nightmare Before Christmas inspired set of nails. All the products that we've used today will be listed in the description box below, and they can be found on the website. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye!